IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu apologizes in court for recent attacks on Justice Nyako lawyers. It is a great, interesting news I bring to your listening ears, which you love to listen to. Good day from wherever you're listening from. Now moving on to the full details, kindly please ensure you like, subscribe to this channel and share. The leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, has apologized for his recent attacks on the Federal High Court and Justice Binta Nyako. He also extended his apology to the federal government lawyer, Chief Awomolu San. Kanu's new counsel, Chief Kanu Agabi San, a former Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, delivered the apology before Justice James Omotosho, the new trial judge. Agabi sought permission from the court to convey Kanu's message, stating that he had already consulted the prosecution's lawyer. Justice Omotosho granted the request. The judge fixed March 21 for Kanu's trial after reassigning the case file to him. Kanu, extradited from Kenya in June 2021, is expected to take his plea as the case begins afresh de novo. Justice John Itsoho, Chief Judge of the Federal High Court, FHC, notified Kanu's lawyer, Aloy Ejimako, in a letter dated March 4 of the case transfer from Justice Nyako to Justice Omotosho. The reassessment followed Kanu and his legal team's request for a new judge, citing allegations of bias. On September 24, 2024, Justice Nyako withdrew from the case and sent the file to the Chief Judge for reassignment, stating that she could not proceed with a trial where the defendant lacked confidence in the court. However, the Chief Judge later returned the file to her, insisting that a formal application was required before a recusal could be accepted. Kanu and Ejimako maintained on February 10 that Justice Nyako no longer had jurisdiction after stepping down from the case, prompting the judge to adjourn the matter indefinitely sine die. Before Justice Nyako, the case had been handled by Justice Ahmed Mohamed, who has since been elevated to the Court of Appeal, and Justice Itsoho before he became the Chief Judge. My dear listeners, now we've come to the end of our today's news. Please do drop by at the comment section and let us know what your view is all about. Thank you for listening.